Today we're featuring a 2016 Mazda CX3. It's got 19,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. All right. Summit white in color. I'll go ahead and give you the walk around of the vehicle. Notice it's got the turn signals in the side mirrors. It's got your lock unlock button here on the handle. It's one of your smaller SUVs, kind of like a compact SUV. Really sharp. Got the Sky Active technology. Down the passenger side, it is equipped with the sunroof as well. All right, everything looks good on the exterior of this vehicle. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. All right, it's got the two-tone door panels, nice red accent here, carbon fiber trim there, power locks, power windows. It does have the Bose audio. Black leather seats, nice red stitching, kind of the titanium insert. All right, driver's seat's in good shape. Passenger seat looks really good too. All right, does have a keyless entry key fob. It is an automatic. It's got your USB auxiliary power supply there, CD, climate control area, your display screen there. Push button start, leather wrapped steering wheel with the carbon fiber trim, steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. Let's go ahead and show you the sunroof. We'll pan out here, give you a shot of that. Alright, let's go ahead and check out your mileage. Okay, it's got 19,214 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, I'll go ahead and show you. You've got your climate control area again. It also is equipped with heated seats. You got your heated seats there. Alright, it is an automatic. Alright, it's got your display screen here. You got communication, entertainment, applications. It does have navigation, but it's not the digital turn-by-turn navigation. Just kind of general latitude, longitude, elevation type thing. Alright, and all this up here in the display is controlled with your with this right here. Spin it to select different things, and then back to your home screen. Alright, we've had the AC running now for about 10 minutes, everything blowing nice and cold there. Let's go ahead and check. It does have backup camera. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Alright, got the two-tone door panels back here. Leather seats are in great condition. No problems at all. Back seat carpet and the front seat carpet are in great shape. Give you the driver's eye view of the layout. Let's take a look back here. Alright, carpet's nice and clean back here. Go ahead and step to the side so you can really see the depth on how much space you got there. Alright, super easy to get these seats down. Little button there you push the seats right down. That comes down. You can really see how it opens it up back here now. Alright. Let's go ahead and take a look at your wheels and tires. Let's see, we have 16-inch alloys. Tires are in good shape. Plenty of tread left on them. Alright, once again, it's a 2016 Mazda CX3, 19,000 miles on it, clean Carfax, one owner. It's in great shape. Outside the vehicle, inside, everything's been well taken care of. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thank you for watching the video.